Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Depop on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up our app store and go to search bar and simply type in Depop and search it up. Now as soon as you do that, you're going to find your app right over here. Now for you to simply download and it to be installed, all you gotta do is tap on this option of get right over here, double click, and it will simply start being downloaded and installed in your mobile phone. As soon as this little blue circle completes itself, it will be downloaded and it will simply be installed in your mobile phone as well. So just patiently wait for that. There we go. Now it's showing the installing and we have done. We're gonna go back and this is how it's gonna show up in our mobile as well, and then we can tap on it and there we go. Now we can use it for whatever purpose we would like, and we're good to go. So that's basically it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.